When most SUVs start racking up repair bills the moment the warranty ends, a few stand out for their long-term dependability. In this video, we'll count down the most reliable SUVs of 2025 that are truly worth owning well past the warranty period. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is one of those SUVs that doesn't crumble the moment the warranty runs out. In fact, that's usually when its reputation for long-lasting reliability really starts to shine. Think of it as the SUV equivalent of a tireless grandfather who simply refuses to slow down. Consumer Reports has consistently rated the Highlander above average for reliability, with some years even earning near-perfect marks. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, with annual repair expenses averaging around $400 to $500. A modest trade-off for a vehicle that can easily surpass 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Models from 2016 to 2020 hit the sweet spot, offering an ideal balance of durability and value. Many can still be found under $25,000, running smoothly with the calm dependability of a seasoned traveler. The Highlander isn't about flash or speed, you won't be winning drag races with it, but that's not what it's built for. It's about quiet dependability, consistently delivering without demanding attention. Where many SUVs start showing warning lights and costly issues after the warranty, the Highlander simply keeps going as if nothing changed. Number 5. Mazda Cx-5. The Mazda Cx-5 is one of those rare SUVs that continues to make sense well beyond the warranty period. And that's impressive in a market where repair bills often feel like second mortgage payments. With a reliability score of 82 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, the Cx-5 outperforms much of its competition, many of which spend more time at the repair shop than on the road. Owners aren't just satisfied, they're loyal, proving Mazda built this SUV for lasting ownership rather than short-term flash. Part of its strength lies in its simplicity. The Cx-5 avoids overly complex, fragile electronics and instead relies on proven technology that just works. When repairs are needed, costs stay reasonable, averaging about $447 per year, lower than the $520 average for compact SUVs. Then there's the quality you can feel. The doors close with a reassuring thud. The paint resists the wear and tear of daily life, and the overall build has the polish of a vehicle that feels $10,000 more expensive than it really is. If you want something that isn't just reliable in theory, but consistently dependable in real-world ownership, the Mazda Cx-5 is an easy choice. Number 4. Lexus Rx. The Lexus Rx is one of those rare SUVs that continues to perform flawlessly long after the warranty has expired. It's essentially the golden retriever of the automotive world, reliable, loyal, and always ready to go without complaint. Consumer Reports consistently gives the RX strong marks, with predicted reliability ratings of 4 out of 5 across multiple model years. It's not unusual to find RXs confidently racking up over 200,000 miles as if they're just getting started. When it comes to ownership costs, the RX is easier on your wallet than many of its luxury rivals. RepairPal estimates the average annual repair bill at around $550, which is actually below the segment average. Its V6 engine is well known for being nearly indestructible, and thanks to Toyota's engineering pedigree, you're basically driving Camry-level dependability wrapped in a luxury SUV package. Even the transmission is a smooth operator, working quietly and without fuss. Used values remain strong because buyers know exactly what they're getting. Long-term dependability and peace of mind. A 2017 RX, for example, can still fetch around $25,000 on the used market, a clear sign of lasting value. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that won't let you down when the miles pile on, the Lexus RX is the definition of staying power. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is one of those dependable SUVs that keeps earning its spot on Consumer Reports' list of most reliable used vehicles, and with good reason. Reliability scores often land above 80 out of 100, putting it ahead of many competitors that seem to age poorly the moment their warranty expires. Even after the typical 3-year, 36,000-mile coverage runs out, the Forester remains steady. Many owners report reaching 200,000 miles with surprisingly few issues. According to RepairPal, average annual maintenance costs sit around $632, reasonable in a segment where $800 or more isn't unusual. Better yet, it avoids costly headaches like finicky electronics or overworked turbochargers. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter flat-4 engine isn't built for speed, but it is built for longevity. Paired with Subaru's standard all-wheel drive system, which is rugged enough to feel ready for the next ice age, the Forester is designed for confidence in all conditions. Resale value is another strong point. Even after 5 years, Foresters typically retain about 60% of their original price, protecting your investment better than many rivals. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is the kind of SUV that just keeps going, and not in some vague motivational slogan way, but in real, measurable reliability. Consumer Reports consistently rates the CR-V highly, with scores of 4 or 5 out of 5 in recent years. That translates to fewer unexpected trips to the mechanic and more money staying in your pocket. On average, annual repair costs come in around $400, which is impressively low for a compact SUV in the US market. Honda's engineering pedigree really shows here. Engines regularly surpass 200,000 miles without drama, as long as you keep up with basic maintenance. And those basics, oil changes, brake pads, spark plugs, are affordable, with parts widely available and mechanics everywhere familiar with the CR-V. No need to track down a specialist like it's some rare collectible. Fuel efficiency is another strength. Even older CR-Vs can still return around 30 miles per gallon combined, which helps soften the blow at the pump. In a market where many used SUVs can turn into costly money pits, the Honda CR-V stands out as the opposite. It's predictable, affordable to own, easy to maintain, and built to last. A practical, long-term companion that simply makes sense. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the kind of SUV that simply refuses to quit. Even after the warranty period ends, this compact crossover keeps delivering, showing up year after year with the kind of loyalty you can count on. Consumer Reports consistently awards the RAV4 top marks, often scoring a perfect 5 out of 5 for predicted reliability. And this isn't a one-off, it's a pattern. Take the 2019 model, for example. Even with high mileage, it still holds a flawless reliability rating. Owning a RAV4 beyond its warranty doesn't feel like a gamble, it feels like a win. Average annual repair costs are about $429, according to RepairPal, which is below the segment average. Many RAV4s easily cross the 300,000-mile mark without requiring major repairs, giving owners every reason to hold on to them for the long haul. The hybrid versions raise the bar even higher, combining excellent fuel efficiency with Toyota's trademark dependability. It's that rare combination of low running costs and high reliability that few SUVs can match. The Toyota RAV4 proves that dependable doesn't have to mean dull. It's practical, efficient, and built to last, making it the #1 choice for drivers who want an SUV they can trust for years to come. Thanks for watching.